Today we are going to discuss about the meaning of common multiples here. So common multiples here in the sense we are going to take example number 4 and number 6 here. So here the multiples of 4 we are going to see first. So that will be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, so on. So multiples of 6 when you are going to see here, multiples of 6 will be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. So here we are going to talk about the common multiples. So common multiples here in the sense for number 4 and 6, the common multiple is here. You see here, this is 12 is common multiple. And another number is 24. So 24 is another common multiple here. So we can say that the common multiple of 4 and 6 are 12, 24 and so on. So this is the meaning of common multiple. You take another example here like 2 and 3 when you are going to talk. So 2 multiple when you are going to see here, that will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on. So multiple of 3 when you are going to see here, that will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. So now when you are going to talk about the common multiples of 2 and 3, so here we are going to see which numbers are common here. So here you see 6 is common here. So another number is 12 is common here. So here we can say that the common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12 and so on. So this is the meaning of common multiples. Next topic, least common multiple here. So in short we can say it is abbreviated as LCM. So in the above example we have seen like the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24 and so on. So in this these are the common multiples. So least common multiple here in the sense in this common multiples which number is lowest here. So here the lowest common multiple will be 12 here. So we can say that the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So this is the meaning of least common multiple. So in the same way 2 and 3 when you are going to see here, the common multiples are 6, 12, 18, so on. So in this also the least common multiple, so which number is lowest here in the sense 6 is lowest here. So we can say like the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6 here. So this is the way we find out the least common multiple. So question, 2 bells ring together. If the bell rings at every 3 minutes and 4 minutes respectively, for after what interval of time will they ring together again? So here they are saying like 2 bells are there here. So it will ring every 3 minutes and 4 minutes respectively. So first bell here, it will ring every 3 minutes here. So that means first 3 minutes it will ring. After that 6 minutes, then 9 minutes, 12 minutes, then 15 minutes, 18, then 21, 24, 27, like this we are going to see the numbers. So this will be like the multiples of 3 here. Now second bell rings every 4 minutes here. That means 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, So in this way we are going to see the second bell. For every 4 minutes it will ring here. Now we are going to talk about the common intervals here. So common intervals will be here. So common intervals we are going to see which is at 12 minutes both will ring. Next it will ring at 24 minutes. Okay, so on. So these are the common multiples of number this 3 and 4 here. So in this we are going to talk about least or the lowest common multiple here. So the lowest common multiple will be here 12. So at 12 minutes, at every 12 minutes both the bells will ring together again. So this is the way we just find the least common multiple here. So here instead of writing every number, so every time we are going to write the multiples of 3, multiples of 4. So we are going to discuss a simple method to find out the LCM here, to find out in the LCM here. So next topic, methods of finding LCM. So in this the first topic, first method is prime factorization method. So here we are going to discuss about how we are going to find out LCM by prime factorization method. So here few steps we are going to follow here. The step 1 is first we are going to find out the prime factors of the given number here. So finding prime factors of the given number here first. Next we are going to talk about we take the common factors here. So step 2, finding the common factors here. Next step 3, we are going to find out the extra factors, finding the extra factors here. Next step 4, finding the product of common and extra factors here. So this is the steps we are going to follow. With few examples we will discuss about the prime factorization method here. So let's take the number 36 and 60 here. So first we are going to find out the prime factors of the given number. So first step, prime factors. So for 36 the prime factors will be 2, 3, 3. So when you are going to multiply the prime factors you get the given number here. So this is the prime factorization of the given number. So after that we take the number 60 here. So the prime factorizations of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 here. So this is the first step we are going to discuss. Second step says here we are going to take the common factors here. So common factors, when you are going to talk about this is the one common factor, 2 is another common factor here, 3 is the another common factors here. So common factors we first separate here. So common factors will be 2 into 2 into 3 here. Next third step says here in the sense extra factors we are going to talk about. So extra factors here, what are the extra factors? That is 3 and 5 here. So 3 into 5 we are going to take. Next fourth step says here in the sense product of both common factors and extra factors. So common factors and extra factors we are going to take the product here. So what is the common factors here in the sense 2 into 2 into 3. Next what is the extra factors here in the sense that is 3 into 5, 3 into 5 here. So this is the product. So when you are going to take the product of these numbers, you get the number 180. So we can say that the LCM of 30 and 60 is 180. So this is the way we find out the LCM of the given number by prime factorization method. So let's discuss about another example, like 6 and 10. When you are going to talk about the first step, we are going to say we are going to take the prime factorization of the given number. So that will be 6 here. So 6 common prime factorization, when you do 2 into 3 you get. Next 10 when you are going to see, so that will be 2 into 5. So this is the prime factorization of the given number. So this is the first step we talk about. Next, second step, we find out the common factors here. So common factors here. So what are the common factors here? In the sense only the number 2 is there. So 2 is the one common factor here. Next, third step is the extra factors we are going to talk about here. So what are the extra factors here? In the sense one is 3 and another is 5. So then we write 3 into 5 here. Next, fourth step, we talk about the product of the common factors and extra factors here. So common factor is 2 here and extra factors 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 here. So when you are going to multiply 2 into 3 into 5, we get 2 into 6, 6 into 5, 30. So we can say like LCM of 6 and 10 is 30. So this is the lowest common multiple of number 6 and 10. So in this way we are going to find out the LCM of the given number. So next method to find the LCM is the division method. So in this the steps includes first step, when you are going to talk about when the given numbers are given to you, then we are going to arrange them in row here. Arranging them in row. So after that, second step, we are going to divide this number by least number, least common. So divide the numbers by least prime number. So here we are going to say at least 2 numbers should be divisible here. Then third step, here we are going to repeat the process until you get have the common factor other than 1. Until you get a common factor other than 1. Next, fourth, we are going to take the product of divisors and remainders. So this is the methodology for division method to find out the LCM of the given numbers. So let's take the numbers here, that is 24 and 90. So first we are going to arrange in row. So then we arranged in row here. So this is 24 and 90 here. After that we are going to second step, what we are going to divide this by least prime number. So let's divide with least prime number, that will be 2 here. So you get 12 here, here 45. After that another least common prime number we are going to see. So that will be 3 here. So 3, 4 here, and we get 15 here. So after that third step, what we discussed here, in the sense we continue this process until you get a common factor other than 1 here. So we get a common factor here. So now we can't see any other divisors which is common for 4 and 15 here. Then fourth step, what we are going to see, all the divisors. So these are the divisors, okay, and these are the reminders we are going to see. So product of all the divisors, that means 2 into 3, and the reminders 4 into 15. So 4 into 15 we are going to see here. So when you are going to take the product, like 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24, and 24 into 15, when you see, you get 360 here. So this is the LCM of number 24 and 90. So let's take an example. Find the LCM of 21, 35, 42. So first step, what it says here, in the sense we are going to arrange them in row. So we arranged in a row here. Next, second step says we are going to divide this by least prime number. So what is the common number which can divide at least 2 here, okay? So that we are going to see. So first we divide it by 7 here. So 3, 5 and 6. So after that number 3, which divides only 2 numbers. So we are going to take such a number which should divide at least 2 numbers. So 3 here, that will be goes with 1. So 5, it won't go. So we have to write as it is. Then it will go with 2 here. So after that there is nothing, we have to repeat this process. The third step is the repeating this process until you get a common factor other than 1 here. Then fourth, what it says here, in the sense a product of divisors. So these are the divisors and these are the reminders. We are going to product it. So that means 7 into 3 and 5 into 2, and if suppose we can write 1 also. So here 7 into 3 into 5 into 2. So this will be 21 into 10, that will be 210 here. So this is the LCM of numbers 21, 35 and 42.